G'day, I'm Patrick. This is another Cool Tool Tuesday. About a month or so ago, I had to do a job installing some doors for the Regent Theatre in Melbourne. It was awkward, it was on a job site, and I had to hold them at a certain height on a sloped ground. And I knew that there was a product called the Third Hand, or as a group of products that involved support, legs and struts, and I had a look at them and they weren't going to quite do the job. But I came across these jack of all trades and they just were perfect. Now, I even got some footage on the site, because I thought after I'd used them that I'd like to do a video on them. Now, if you've been around here for a while, you'll know that Jesse did a Cool Tool Tuesday on these probably about a year or so ago, but I was just so impressed with them, I thought I'd throw another one out there, and Timbercon said go for it. So basically what they are is it acts really similarly to a standard quick grip clamp situation where you squeeze the trigger and the clamping body moves, but because the foot is reversible, you can use them as a clamp and a jack. So the way that I use these was you put the foot on the ground, I put my glass door that I needed to install on the little metal tongue here, or you can also put it on the rubber here, and then you just raise it up to the height you want and it will hold it there. Now, my understanding is that these can hold maybe around 100 kilos. I need to check that, but they were certainly capable of holding these big glass doors that I was installing. I was able to lean the frame of the door up against the metal support, hold that in place while I screwed the hinges in. Since that job, I've used them a number of other times on installs when I'm going to a customer's house to install a piece of cabinetry that I've made, and I've kind of wondered what I did before this, and every time I've taken them somewhere, some other tradie's walked up and gone, "Where'd you get those things? They look really handy," and they really are. So look, I've only used them for a couple of months, but I've used them a number of times and I think they're pretty handy. So you can click on the link below for more information, and see you next time, I guess.